In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through TurboTax Online's interface for the year 2024, focusing on some specific functionalities to ensure you're getting the most out of your tax filing experience. TurboTax, an incredibly popular platform for managing taxes, helps you efficiently handle even the less common tax situations. Let's walk through the process together. Begin by heading over to TurboTax Online 2024. Once you're on the main page, you should see a prompt encouraging you to keep going. Click on Keep Going to move forward in your tax preparation journey. This seamless step keeps you progressing through the initial stages of the tax filing process without any hesitation. Next up, you'll encounter a question. Do any of these uncommon tax situations apply to you? Go ahead and click on this prompt. It's crucial to accurately assess if any special tax situations pertain to you, as this can impact your filing. Think of this step as a checkpoint, ensuring that all your unique tax circumstances are considered. If any of the situations do apply to you, click on Yes. This confirmation allows TurboTax to tailor its services to meet your needs better. Following this, you'll find a question asking if you've hired a live-in nanny or a household employee. If this applies to you, click on Yes. It is an important factor in filing